all we can do here is go straight. Sometimes you got to know what time of the day it is. 7 to 7, no left turns. And then over here it's a one-way, so all we can do is go straight. I've seen people turn left in here just to get into the bank parking lot. They have these signs here controlling the traffic, the flow of traffic between these times, because it's so busy. I mean, if people, stopped in that lane to make a left turn, then they're back into traffic. I'm gonna keep going straight at the lights. Scanning for pedestrians at the button. Sometimes they don't use it though. If you had to stop anywhere before the triangles. Right turn at the lights. Yellow and black sign. Little slip lane there. We're going to make a right turn. This is one of the intersections with the red light cameras. When we get across this intersection, we'll make a left lane change. That was totally wrong. We'll make a left lane change. We're going to turn left at the stop sign up there. Making good eye contact. We know that they see us. Hopefully. Where the red car just turned, we're going to turn between the two buildings. It's actually a two-way laneway. It's really narrow. You know it's a right turn. Oh, yeah? Yeah. She did?
Yeah.
So there's a stop sign backwards there. That's what tells you it's a two-way. She took you down here? Cool.
There was a truck coming over. Sorry, it was one of those Mercedes vans there.
Yeah.
And, trying to get as close as I can to the wall.
Narrow spaces.
Oh, yeah.
I used to drive a 5-ton truck in Toronto through these little laneways delivering glassware to restaurants. Man, it was tough sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
But the reason I'm taking you here is because, again, we have a stop sign with a sidewalk. And in Toronto, I learned a little trick very quickly to help me know if there's someone on this side, on the sidewalk. You just use the windows on the other side. You might see the reflection of people.
That's true.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, we're going straight.
Oops.
So you just use everything to your advantage, basically. Good that you're looking both ways, because sometimes people go the wrong way down a one-way street. And at the stop sign up here, we're going to make a left turn. Exterminate. Okay. There, see?
No.
Yeah, left turn. This is a bit of a challenge. Awesome. We're going to go straight. So again, a yellow line divides traffic going in opposite directions. The white line divides traffic going in the same direction. We're going to turn left at the blue building here. You'll see a break in the yellow line. That's an entry point. It shows you that you're allowed to make a left turn here, and it guides you into the correct lane over here. And if you notice the line, the color of the line is white, which tells you it's a one-way. And you're turning into the correct lane. Fun, eh?
Yeah.
It's entertaining.
Exactly.
At the stop sign here, we're going to make a right turn. And then again, when you're making the right turns, just scan over your right blind spot before you go. And straight ahead. At the stop sign here, we're going to make a right turn. So, I should mention the one-ways. When you're turning left, you turn left from the left lane. When you're turning right, you turn right from the right lane.
Yeah.
At the lights up here, we're going to make a right turn. Okay, we're going to go under the bridge. No left turns in there. Do not enter signs. Occasionally you'll get the pedestrians walking along the ledge there, and they'll step off to avoid stepping in the pigeon shit.
Yeah.
Right in front of the vehicle, you know. Crazy. So I'm just scanning the rear view mirror because the intention is to make a left lane change when it's safe and possible. Do not enter sign. You'll notice ahead there's two one-way arrows right there. We're going to turn left with the, see them right there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so two arrows means there's two lanes, but you can't see where the left lane is where you're supposed to turn until you start turning. Just use the snowbank, the edge of the road or curb to guide you into the proper lane so you don't go too far. Most people miss the left lane. They'll turn into the wrong lane. And that's definitely the case because it's like a lot cleaner on the right side. And then we look for ducks in the spring.
Yep.
Sometimes they're all over the road. You honk at them, they honk back at you. When you go up to the stop sign there, we make a left turn.